Hey everyone, for today's video, I attempted a salon blowout at home, and let me just say I am super impressed with how it turned out. I went ahead and picked up some hot rollers from Amazon for only 20 bucks. They will be listed down below in the description box if you want to go ahead and purchase them. If this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. My name is Celine. For those who are returning, welcome back. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload another video. With that being said, if you want to see how I got this blowout, then just keep watching. So I wanted to get the full salon experience. From what I recall, they do typically wash your hair before doing any kind of treatment. So I went ahead and washed my hair real quick. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to blow dry it with this little dryer here. I added the round brush attachment. It does come with 3 attachments. I haven't really used this that much. I usually let my hair air dry, but I kind of don't want to wait. I just want to get right into it. So I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to go in with the hot rollers. I don't even know what brand this is by. I picked it up at Walmart. I believe it was like $20 something, no more than 25. Before blow drying, I am going to add a heat protectant. It's this one here by L'Oreal. I'm going to go ahead and add this in my hair and brush it out, and I'm going to go ahead and use the blow drying tool. Okay, don't mind if you see anything in my hair. I do have psoriasis on my scalp, so yeah, usually I do have a lot of patches from my psoriasis, and you know, psoriasis causes dandruff. So yeah, my hair is clean. I just washed it like I said. So go ahead and put this in. Go ahead, spray it. It says to use on damp hair or dry hair. Alright, so I got everything brushed out. I'm going to kind of give you a little information about the hot rollers that I'm going to use. I went ahead and purchased these right here from Remington. They come with 20 velvety hot rollers, also 3 sizes. The clamps, these are the little clamps. They're color coordinated with the hot rollers. So it's 1 1/4, 1 inch, and then 3/4 are the sizes. The largest one is a little bit small to me. It's not that big, and my hair is pretty long. I might have a little bit of an issue kind of putting it in my hair, so I might have to take smaller sections. But thankfully my hair is not too thick to where I don't have enough. I think it will be enough for my hair. I'm excited to try these out. They are ready to go, pretty hot already. I think one of them in the center has a little red dot on it, and then I think once it's white, it means that it's ready to go. I think it takes like 10 minutes for them to heat up. I'm just gonna go ahead and start working my way and blow drying. Alright, so I already went ahead and blow dried this bottom section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry this section. I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a professional at all. I don't know if I'm using the blow dryer right. But yeah, just want to put that out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this top section and then go to the next side. Dry. As you can see, there is a lot of frizz going on, so I'm going to try to tame that a little bit. But you can see it definitely added a good amount of volume to this side versus this side. I feel like this side's a little bit more flat. Go ahead and add this Pantene serum for frizz. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the rollers in. I'm gonna start off with this middle section here. Gonna twist this and clamp it real quick. So I have my rollers right here on my vanity. I'm gonna go ahead and open them. They are pretty hot since they've been sitting there for a while. It'll be a little difficult for me since my hair is pretty long. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna wrap it around and then roll it in. Like I said, my hair is pretty long. Trying to make sure the hair stays on it. Take this clamp and put it through. Do another section. This is my first time doing this, so there is definitely going to be errors because I've never done this before. But yeah, that one looks a little better. Do a lot of small sections because a lot of my hair didn't even fit on the biggest ones, and this is the second size. These are hot. Maybe I should not have left them on that long. Honestly, it didn't say how long to leave them on, like plugged. It only said that I needed to heat up in 10 minutes. So I don't know if I was supposed to turn it off after 10 minutes or not. I have high hopes for this. I do have a family function tomorrow, so I'm hoping that it lasts until then, the volume. This one's kind of irking me a bit. After I finish this side, I'm going to redo this front one. But honestly, this is not taking that long. I thought it would be a longer process. Sections back here, and then this little one here. I'm gonna take this one. I only have 2 tiny ones left, so I'm just gonna use that here. I'm gonna use these 2. I have 2 of these. Use that here. I'm gonna take this one out and redo it. Oops, just rolled right out. Let's take one that's still warm. Okay, so this is with all of them in. Hoping that it comes out good. I will check back in 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, I am back. I decided to leave them in for 30 minutes just to make sure that I definitely get a lot of volume. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing them. So I'm going to start from my bottom and work the way up. Coming out pretty easy. Really enjoyed using this. Super easy, user friendly. Almost finished. I'm impressed. I really was unsure about how this was gonna work, but can you see there's just a lot of volume, especially right here. definitely a lot of volume, and my hair looks really healthy and shiny. I mean, there's still a lot of frizz going on, but like, do you see like the shininess? Usually whenever I use those products that I use in my hair and curl it with my wand, my hair does not look like this. So I don't know what it is, but it looks really, really good. One more left after this one. The final reveal. Ooh, there is definitely a lot of volume going on right here. Trying to tame it a little bit. Alright, so I kind of try to tame it a little bit. I parted it normally how I wear it, but yeah, I really love how much volume it added to my hair. I'm so happy that I purchased these. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add some texture spray. This is from Got To Be. I'm just gonna set this because I said I do have a family get-together tomorrow. So I do want to make sure that this curl kind of stays in my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this in my hair. Alright y'all, so I kind of just want to go over how I feel about the rollers. Honestly, I was really impressed how well they worked for my hair. Like I said, my hair has no volume at all, so this definitely added so much volume to my hair. And they were very affordable, which is a plus. I really like that about that. And they have a variation of sizes. It's just not one size. So yeah, I really love that it was very easy to use. Didn't have any difficulty at all. I just wish that they would have included bigger rollers than the ones they had, but if you are someone who has thin hair, it shouldn't have too much issue. But overall, I really love how well they worked on my hair, how much volume it has, and it has a lot of shine to it. And yeah, I'm really glad that I decided to pick this up, and I will definitely be using it. This is a good way to achieve that salon blowout at home if you're on a budget. Pick you up some hot rollers and you're good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I do upload another video. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, bye.